My name is Megan McArthur. I'm the pilot for NASA's SpaceX Crew 2 mission to the International Space Station. I first thought of becoming an astronaut when I was in high school. So my dad was a Navy pilot, and so I first thought, I'd love to be a pilot. We lived at Moffett Field Naval Air Station, which was connected with Ames Research Center. We'd hear the wind tunnels going, at all hours of the day and night. And also it's where shuttle astronauts would come to do their landing and rollout training. And so I would see them, come in their T-38 jets and get out in their spiffy blue flight suits and walk in to do their training. And I thought, well, that looks like fun. How do I get that job? And I knew that it was a long shot, right? But I also knew that I wanted to be a part of something like that, right? A part of this bigger thing of exploration. And then I kind of took this left turn into oceanography, but really it's all about exploration. We're not better equipped to survive underwater, any better than we are in outer space. And so we need technology to help us explore those areas. So how do we do those things? We can send rovers, we can send people, we have to build the right kind of machines to support that. And so there's a lot of parallels. From graduate school in oceanography, I always had this idea in the back of my mind, and I went ahead and applied, and I got really lucky. Every launch experience is very unique to the individual. We climbed aboard and there's that period of waiting, and you actually get a little bit uncomfortable. Your body starts to cramp up and you're ready to go. And then when the actual launch goes, it's indescribable. It's so much energy. You are moving so fast. One of my main focuses was capturing this free-flying vehicle, the Hubble Space Telescope. The really complicated spacewalks that were planned out, 5 spacewalks back to back to back. So it was just this tremendous rush of activity for really 11 days until we were ready to let the telescope go. 3, 2, 1, release. And back and away. Clear the antenna. We dream these amazing dreams, we have these huge goals, and we're going to be successful when we work on them together. When you think about the International Space Station and the size of that vehicle and the breadth of science that gets accomplished on that vehicle with all of the different countries that are participating, and then now we've added commercial partners where they have a vehicle that we are using to get us to our space laboratory. Have these big dreams where we look out to the horizon and this desire to explore the universe around us, and we're always going to be more successful when we work together to achieve these incredible dreams.
You want more NASA videos? Then hit subscribe.